Alright, we are gonna call someone with a microwave.
Craigslist ad. Hope they answer.
Hello?
Hello, I was calling about your microwave you have on Craigslist.
Yes.
Yes, I have a few questions about it.
Alright.
Alright, yes, how fast does it go?
How fast? I'm not sure what you mean by how fast. It turns.
What's the RPMs on that?
Oh, I don't know what the RPMs are.
Like,
It turns like a regular microwave.
you know, my grandpa has one, and it gets like 40 RPMs. Now, it's running pretty good. It's on like 2.5 horsepower, 30 RPMs. Do you know anything to say on the back of the microwave, possibly? I'm just wondering.
I don't think it does. I can go take a quick look if you like.
Alright, thank you. What, and how much are you looking to get for a good machine such as that?
I'm asking 25, but I'm taking offers on it.
Oh, you're taking offers? Alright.
Yeah, I'll take an offer.
Is it good to go fishing in?
Pardon?
Is it good to go fishing in your bass boat? Is this not a bass boat?
Bass boat? It's called about a microwave.
I thought this was a 19-foot bass boat. Is this not a 19-foot bass boat?
No, you just asked me about a microwave.
But do you also...
you just gave me the runaround on a bass boat and how fast it goes, and now you're just changing the subject? I'm gonna go postal and sue your ass. I'm gonna go postal on you, sir. You are...
Is that right?
You...
Well, why don't you put your bass boat in your microwave?
I can't fit a bass boat in a microwave. What are you, some kind of dumbass?
That was microwave to bass boat.